Hello friends, myself Mani Joshi, welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the reduced syllabus for CBSE class 11 chemistry. Along with this we will discuss the syllabus related to class 11 science chemistry for term first and term second. For term first, this is the reduced syllabus for class 11th. There are 7 chapters, some basic concept of chemistry, structure of atom, classification and elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, redox reaction, hydrogen and organic chemistry. Among these chapters, the first 2 chapter will carries 11 marks, chapter 3rd carries 4 mark, chapter 4th carries 6 mark, chapter 5th and 6th carries 5 marks, and the last chapter organic chemistry carries 9 marks. So the total theory marks will be here 35. In term first, the topic related to the basic principle of chemistry are like this. From structure of atom, these are the topics like Bohr's model, its limitation, concept of cell, subcell, concept of orbitals, quantum numbers, Pauli's exclusion principle, Aufbau principle, electronic configuration of atoms, stability of half-filled and completely filled orbitals. From chapter 3rd, classification of elements, these are the topics involved. From chemical bonding and molecular structure, these are the topics. Including these topics, the important thing is Vesper theory, hybridization, molecular orbital theory and hydrogen bonding. From redox reaction, these are the topics: hydrogen, the position of hydrogen in periodic table, occurrence, hydrides, heavy water, hydrogen as fuel. From organic chemistry, some basic principle, techniques, general introduction, IUPAC nomenclature, electronic effects, electromeric effect, resonance, hyperconjugation, free radicals, carbon and carb, cation, nucleophiles, types of organic reactions. For term first, there will be 15 mark practical also. Would be conducted under the supervision of subject teacher, and in case of the situation of lockdown continues till November-December, a practical based assessment paper pen test of 15 marks would be conducted at the end of the term first. मतलब अगर लॉकडाउन कैरी रहता है तो नवंबर दिसंबर में 15 मार्क्स का जो एक पेन पेपर टेस्ट जो है प्रैक्टिकल के लिए होगा. Term first practical involves volumetric analysis, carries 8 marks, content based 2 mark, and class record and viva by internal examiner 5 marks. Total marks there are 15 marks. In category A, the basic laboratory techniques which involve cutting glass tube and glass rod, bending of a glass tube, drawing out a glass jet and boring a cork. In the second exercise, characterization of chemical substances carries 2 mark, determination of melting point of an organic compound and determination of boiling point of an organic compound. In quantitative estimation, this carries 8 marks. Use a mechanical or electronic balance, preparation of standard solution of oxalic acid, determination of strength of a given solution of sodium hydroxide by titrating it against standard solution of oxalic acid, preparation of standard solution of sodium carbonate, determination of strength of given solution of hydrochloric acid by titrating it against standard sodium carbonate solution. Now for term second, these are the 6 chapters involved there. The first chapter, that is states of matter, chemical thermodynamics, equilibrium, S block, some P block elements and hydrocarbons. The first 3 chapter carries 15 mark. 2 chapter S and P block carries 11 marks, and the last chapter hydrocarbon carries 9 mark. For term second, These are the topics belongs to states of matter, chemical thermodynamics. These are the topics belongs to equilibrium. These are the topics belongs to S block element. These are the topics of P block element. And the last, hydrocarbon, classification of hydrocarbon, aliphatic, aromatic, alkane, alkyne, alkenes, arynes, like this, alkenes, aromatic hydrocarbons. For term second practical, as like the term first, at the end of the term second, there will be a 15-mark practical will be conducted under the supervision of subject teacher, and this would contribute to the overall practical marks for the subject. मतलब पूरे केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल के लिए जो मार्क्स होंगे उसके लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा. इफ़ द लॉकडाउन कंटिन्यूज बियॉन्ड दिसंबर 2021, अगर दिसंबर 2021 के बाद भी लॉकडाउन चलता है, a practical based assessment, pen paper test of 10 marks and viva of 5 marks would be conducted at the end of the term second by the subject teacher, and this would contribute to the overall practical marks for the subject. The term second practical evaluation scheme, that is salt analysis, carries 8 mark, content base, that is 2 mark, and project and viva, that is 5 mark, total 15 mark. In term second, the first exercise belongs to qualitative analysis. In that, determination of one anion and one cation in a given salt, like this lead, copper, arsenic, aluminium, iron, manganese, nickel, zinc, cobalt, calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium, ammonium. Anions: carbonate, sulfide, nitrate, sulfite, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, bromide, iodide, phosphate, oxalate, and acetate. And the second, that is detection of nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine in organic compounds. The second exercise belongs to crystallization of impure metals of any one of the following: alum, copper sulfate, benzoic acid. Project scientific investigations involving laboratory testing and collecting information from other sources. So dear friends, this was the syllabus of class 11 chemistry and reduced by the CBSE and divided in for terms, term wise first and term second. I hope you have understand all these things related to the syllabus of chemistry for this year for class 11th. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.